Here I have XIAOMI 12S, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, so easily. And one last time, volume down, power key, and let's get it. You can find your screenshots in gallery in the screenshots album. And here they are. And from here you can send, edit, favorite or delete your screenshot, and also perform some other options from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.